TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 Review 2026. Is it worth the investment? Are you tired of mediocre sound quality and bulky earbuds that weigh down your ears? Do you struggle to focus in noisy environments or wish for better calls with your loved ones? But here's what surprised me. This TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 might just be the answer to all your audio woes. With its sleek design and industry-leading noise cancellation, I was blown away by its performance. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into what makes this earbud tick. As you know, good sound quality is crucial in today's world of streaming services and online gaming. However, most earbuds on the market fall short in delivering that perfect sonic experience. They either lack depth or get muddled with noise. But what sets the TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 apart from its competitors? Let me tell you, this earbud boasts a hybrid driver that combines dynamic and balanced armature drivers to produce crystal-clear highs and deep, rich bass. Its advanced noise cancellation technology effectively blocks out background chatter, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your favorite tunes. But don't just rely on my word, let's look at some specs. 4D hybrid driver. Delivering detailed sound. Noise cancellation technology, effective noise reduction up to 90%. Long battery life up to 8 hours of continuous use. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users have reported that the earbuds can be a bit too sensitive, so I'll address this in more detail later. Now, let's talk about the design. The TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 has an ergonomic shape, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Its sleek and lightweight build also means you won't feel weighed down by it. There's one thing that really caught my attention. The earbuds come with 6 different tips for a secure fit and optimal sound quality. This level of customization is what sets this product apart from its competitors. But how does it hold up in real-world scenarios? I've had the chance to test it out during commutes, gym sessions, and even gaming marathons. And let me tell you, the TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 delivers on all fronts. Now that we've scratched the surface of what makes this earbud special, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Some users have reported that the charging case can be a bit finicky, but I haven't experienced any issues myself. But is it worth the investment? In my opinion, yes. The TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 offers unparalleled sound quality and noise cancellation at an affordable price point. If you're in the market for new earbuds, look no further. For the best price, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible product today. The TRUTHEAR Zero Blue 2 is available on Amazon, and I've linked it below so you can grab a pair at the lowest price possible.